Hey traders, Gavin McMaster here from Options Trading IQ, and today I'm going to walk you through a bull put spread on Microsoft for their earnings this week. Just a quick reminder that everything discussed is for educational purposes only, is general in nature and does not take into account your personal circumstances. So if we go and look at Microsoft, it's trading at about 426, and the options market is pricing in about a 5% move for their earnings announcement. So that's for the expiration date of August 2nd, which is this Friday. So if we take 426 and we look at a 5% move on the downside, we'd put it at about 405. So that's sort of the expected range that the market makers are looking for Microsoft to stay within on the downside. And then that would be about 445 on the upside. We're going to look at just a bullish trade here. I've gone with about the 12 delta, usually somewhere around the 13 to 15 delta is going to be just outside the expected range. That's why I really like that delta 15. Now, if Microsoft opens a little bit higher when the market opens tomorrow or this morning, we might have to move this up 5 points. We might have to do the 405, 400 spread. So we'll just have to wait and see when the market opens. But basically, we're going to receive, I've got two contracts here, going to receive about $150 in premium. The maximum risk is going to be $850. And this trade's going to do quite well if Microsoft stays flat through earnings or rallies. And we can even handle a little bit of a drop, provided it doesn't drop too much. Now, Microsoft has a really good history. The last 6 times they've reported earnings, the stock has stayed above the expected range on the lower side. I think 4 out of 6 times the stock's gone higher. The 2 times that the stock has dropped, it has stayed within the expected range. And also, if Microsoft does drop down to this 405, 410 level, we can easily perform an adjustment. We can buy this spread back. We can roll it down and maybe out to the following week. So we might be able to roll down to 390. The only real scenario that's really going to hurt us is a big drop down to sort of 385, 390 or below, or even 395. So anywhere outside the expected range is going to be a bit trickier to roll and to adjust. So they can be a little bit hit and miss this trades, but it does have a very high probability of success, particularly with the track record that Microsoft has shown with good performance through earnings. 4 out of 6 times higher. The 2 times that it was lower, it was less than the expected move. So again, if it does drop over earnings, maybe we're down in this 410, 415 area, we're going to be just fine. So if you've got any questions on that, let me know. Hopefully this one does well. Have a great trading week and reach out anytime with questions.